Still battery. Okay, I know what it is.
Skål. Skål.
The sparrow is chasing a jay. So I'm not giving up on the buzzard. A little bit of pain in the neck to have a trail camera, which I need to be physically to check out. In my backpack, I have a trail camera from Real-Link. It's a little bit more sophisticated than my other trail camera. So this is quite interesting. The roadkill is gone. I just hope that the trail camera is still running. Still battery. Let's hope that they caught whatever was. Okay, I know what it is. This trail camera here had 40% of the battery left, and that's quite good. I have used it since in the beginning of July, maybe around there, and it's still going strong. It's almost half battery, so that's quite good. But this, I reckon it should be using a lot more batteries, because you have a SIM card in that transfer all the movement into my phone, and I can also turn this little camera around. So that is what it makes this really nice, to have possibilities to move the camera. And I can also actually speak into this here if I want to do that. But the great thing is I don't need to worry on the battery. I'm using this, and this is going to turn the other way around and gather all the sun that it can. Back at my cabin, me and my brother has a lot to work on. The roof needs to be finished before the winter and the snow comes, but so worth it in the end, as the whole family can spend the time together in a cabin. It was the red fox that found the roadkill. Now it's time to pack all my equipment that I'm going to take with me tomorrow, photographing those birds. And of course my 600 with the Z9 is coming with me, but I'm also going to bring the Nikon Z400 with the built-in teleconverter as well. The great thing about that is 2.8, which is fantastic when it's early morning, especially now when the days are getting darker, and if I want to have some action shots, I need to have fast enough shutter speed. Also, I'm bringing the Z6 III, which I'm vlogging on right now, and this is a high ISO performance camera. I have some nice lenses for some landscape. I hope to take some landscape with the autumn colors and yeah, stuff like that, with some filters. This 24-17 2.8 lens, I'm going to bring that, and with some filter set from Keys. This is a hammock. They are a company from Norway which is making some awesome hammocks. I hope to show you on this trip here. South of Norway is a little place called Manadal. Here lives Leiva Norkseth, and they rent out hides for bird photography. And together with Stavanger Photo, we are hosting a workshop. And we all talked about what we were hoping to see. I couldn't wait to go to bed and wake up early in the morning next day. Tomorrow morning, getting up early. We're getting up before the sunrise so we can look for some moose before we head into the hide. So now everything is like prepared for tomorrow and ready. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. The reason why we were in this hide there was a small hope of a sparrowhawk hunting jays. Three days in this blind hair. Can you hear that? The sparrow sitting in the trees. It is long hours in the blind, sitting still, so therefore it's really good to break the pattern, do some landscape in between. I found this beautiful little river here to spend some hours doing something different. to his long hours in the blind. So therefore it's so nice to spend some time, do some landscape now in the autumn, where there is some more colors, leaves on the ground, and so trying to find some composition here is not easy because I haven't been here before and I'm not a landscape photographer. Therefore I use quite a lot of time though to find the right composition. And also I'm not sure. Oh, I see something maybe that could be nice with really long shutter speed. Now I think I found some really nice composition here with the swirling foam there. So have a look at this. Unfortunately I only have one tripod and that I need to use because they have slow shutter speed. So I just need to handhold you to show you here what I'm doing. The swirling foam I use as a foreground, and I have just a regular ND filter. It's a variable ND filter, so that is two polarizing filter put together. So I'm getting the polarizing filter as well to take the glare away from the water, and I think this is quite nice. See you tomorrow. The sparrow is chasing a jay further down the forest. It flew by. The sparrowhawk is sitting in a large pine tree on the other side of this marsh here. So it's tiny in the frame, but the tree itself is really nice and pretty. So I took some images and hoping to get some different kind with a little bit more of the environment. but you can barely see the sparrowhawk. So I don't know if it's going to be cool or not, but after taking 1,000 pictures of the sparrowhawk before, you kind of want some different. The jay is sitting outside now. The backlight is really, really nice. So what I'm like aiming for right now is trying to get some of the jays when they are taking off, to get some flight shots with backlight. That is so nice because then you get like the backlight lighting up. It illuminates the back of the wings and looks really cool. That was nice. I think I got it. So this is quite nice. Here you can see what I'm talking about, with the sun lighting through the wings. So you get this really nice. Oh, oh, oh. Look at that. A sparrowhawk. Sparrowhawk, sparrowhawk, sparrowhawk. What just happened was so amazing. I'm shaking.